Hey there guys, welcome back. This is Prano and Google have revealed its new formula of success, that is Pixel 4a, and I don't really think this is the formula of success because it's utter trash. Do you want to know why? Just watch the video. You're watching Planet Pranav. Enjoy. Google Pixel 4a features a 5.81-inch Full HD plus OLED display. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G chipset and offers 6GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. It runs on Android 10. It has a 12MP single rear camera. The rear camera also comes with OIS, optical image stabilization, that helps in producing stable videos. For selfies, it features an 8MP front camera that sits in the punch hole placed in the top left corner of the display, and it is priced $349. With these specifications, it's a great deal. Or you may think, nah, not gonna happen. But here is the thing. Since the first launch of Google Pixel in 2016 till now, each year Google is failing themselves to attract people to buy their Pixel or any goodies they make each year. Google Pixel 4 is actually an acceptable phone if you are very concerned about your data safety and wanted to impress your friends with just a single camera. And it has some of the underrated features, but Indian smartphone market is one of the fast growing market, and most of the smartphone brands gets their profit from Indian market, so Google won't stand a chance against these competitive brands if they always make their smartphone with mid-range specifications and at a very high price. After the revealing of Google Pixel 4a, I could say thumbs up for its new titanium chip for security, the confidence Google have on introducing single cameras in the year 2020, and the stock Android software. Apart from those, Google lacks in every aspect of their features. Pixel 4a has Snapdragon 730G chipset with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and it is a good mid-range architecture, but the price is literally breathtaking in India. It is said to be 30 to 40,000 in Indian rupees. Now you must be wondering, Pixel 4a was price tagged at $349 in US, which is approx 27,000 in Indian rupees. But you know that GST is 18% and Pixel smartphones are not assembled in India, so the price will be just over expectation. Also, Pixel 4 was not released in India due to this as one of their reasons. And on the other hand, smartphones like Redmi K20 Pro, Realme X2 Pro provides flagship processors at that pricing. That's not just that reason. Google has always aimed to make a standard smartphone, a premium smartphone in Android community, but they lag in the design too. Since the first release of Pixel till now, Google have been introducing boring and routine design for their Pixel smartphones, and now even in Pixel 4a that design is introduced, that routine materialistic plain color design, while on the other hand OnePlus Nord have this attractive compact form factor design, which is literally a very good one, and also the color. Also, Realme smartphones too have the great attractive designs, which is really so good. But I don't know why Pixel always makes this type of designs. I hope they will change it next year. However, the camera in Pixel smartphones have no complaint. It is really great for Pixel 4a to provide flagship range camera shots with just a single camera of 12 megapixel. And this is the year of 2020 guys, and most of the phones are having quad cameras or greater than that. But at this high pricing, Google should at least implement dual cameras for greater shots and a nice detailed shots. But no problem, the software is also great for image processing, just like iPhone does with its iOS software. Finally, if Google really wants Pixel series to become a premium smartphone in Android section, then they should at least try implementing breathtaking flagship specifications just like Asus ROG 3 or near to that. And also they should work on their premium design like glass body or come with something innovative. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. Thank you guys, subscribe me and stay tuned for more videos.